What's going on, guys? It is Steve Hansen. Thanks for joining me for another tutorial. This is going to be a short one. We're just going to learn how to set up your YouTube channel and customize each row so you can build sections like this. Sorry if you hear my dog panting in the background. He was barking, so I made him come in the office. So he's joining us for this tutorial. So if you hear him breathing, that's because he's annoying. All right, so first thing we want to do is make sure you go to this little icon here. It's a little wheel, and customize the layout of your channel. Make sure that is on. So if it's blue, it's on. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel. You hit save. Now you come back to your main channel here, your main page, and first thing you got to do is go to playlists. So you want to go to your playlist. It's going to open up and see you make playlists. I did not know this, but I learned this. So we're going to go up to here. If you don't have any, you click new playlist. We're going to add a title. We're going to call this one test. Create. Okay, over here you're going to see edit. We're going to go ahead and click on edit. And then over here to your right, we're going to click add videos. You're going to click on your YouTube videos. And that's going to bring up a list of all your videos. Now you're just going to pick the ones you want to put into your test file. So you can make your test file say reviews or tutorials or DIYs, whatever it is you're making. You can add a description here. That way it will show up. And you can even move these around. So if you want to put this one at the bottom, you can say move to bottom. So if you didn't select it in the order you wanted to, you can even pick one of these and say I want this one to be set as my thumbnail. And there you go. So now you're done. There's not even a save button. Just go back to playlist if you want to make another playlist, or go back to your home page here, your main page. Now I'm going to show you how to add them. So you can move these if you want up and down on your section here. So just get them on there first. To get them on there, you got to go to add selection. Under content, you're going to click on single playlist. You can make it a horizontal or vertical. I'm using horizontal. My playlist, find playlist. Now it's going to bring up all the playlists that you've made. As you can see, I've made this video before when the dog was barking, so we started over. Anyways, test and click done. So now we have test and our SDASS. Anyway, so you see how that works. So now if you don't want it, I don't want it. So I'm going to hit delete because I don't need it. But there you go. And then you can move them up and down and put your and customize your channel just the way you want it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.